Welcome to your on Adobe Photoshop class. In this video I am going to discuss about how to place into a pattern inside illustration. This is going to be a very important and useful tool. There are various ways, but this one is one of the shortcut and effective. Let's take an image from internet and place the selection tool and press Ctrl A for all select. This all image is selected. Then Ctrl C for copy, and then again we have to go to the new file, open the new blank file. It's clipboard is okay. Through this process of Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, we can copy the image from one file to copy the image to the another file. This is the simple method. Then Ctrl Z for undo this process. Here we want to select some particular area, so we'll go to the select rectangle marquee tool, then select a particular place. Then we want to Ctrl V. Again we put the Ctrl V, the same process is going on. Then Ctrl Z for undo. So we already select the image, copy that image. Now we want to place that image into this selected area only. So there is a different options. That option is called, go to the edit, there is a option called paste a spacer. Second option here, that's called paste into. Alt Shift Ctrl plus V is the shortcut key. When we press here, we'll put that our image into that selected area only. Now we can transform our image. So how will transform our image? Ctrl T is the shortcut key for transformation. When we press Ctrl T, here is the our image is going to be selected, and we can increase or decrease the size of our image. Please keep in mind that when we transform any object, press Shift so that our image is going to be changed proportionally. Otherwise our image is going to be distorted. Adjust perfectly as desired, then press enter to finalize the placement. Okay, so our image is this, and we can transform our image into into a particular selected area. Likewise, again we have to do the same process for better understanding. Made different kind of selection like elliptical marquee tool. We select particular area. Now we want to paste our image into this, so that the shortcut key is Shift Ctrl Alt plus V. So our image is going to be placed here. Now Ctrl T for transformation our image. So again press Shift to transform proportionally, and we can place our image. Now we want to change our shapes again. So we go and now place apply to confirm the placement. Then again we want different kind of shape, so you can make any kind of shape like this. And now we want to place that image into this selection. So let's see the guys here in layer panel. When we press Ctrl V or paste our image, so our layer is increasing. Again we have the two layer. We again put the paste into, so that our one layer is increasing. So again paste Ctrl Shift plus Alt plus V to place that image, and there see the guys, one more layer is there, and this is called masking, where white space is there inside the black space. So it's mask our image, so that we can see our image only on the particular selection. So again Ctrl T, and we can again press Shift and let's down, we can look better. Then we'll confirm, press enter. So this process is called paste into. We are going to use this object into our illustration. It's very useful or very easy method to place any pattern or graphics print into the illustration. So work on some illustration, guys. We can delete the layer from here. So page is going to be empty. Let's place some illustration into our working area. So this is the illustration. We increase, so press the shift key. Then is fine, place enter. This is our illustration. So now we want to place any pattern into this area. Open some file, some, like we'll choose this one, pattern, then Control A. Please select the marquee tool, rectangular marquee tool, select Control A to all, Control C for copy, and now we want to place that print into this particular area. So we are going to a quick selection tool and select this particular area. We can place that image into this image. So place into, we put the shortcut key so that our printed now going to be placed here. Then we want to Control T to transform this placement. It's a very big pattern, so we can decrease the size of pattern so that is visible perfectly. When we perfect on this, we'll place enter. This area is going to be placed. Now we want to place in this area. So again go to this quick selection tool and select this particular area. Now we want to place the different kind of pattern into this area. So I go to open the new file. Here we want to place some animal print. So open the animal print, select the marquee tool, Control A for selection, Control C for copy, and again going to paste in selected area. So we'll place, go to edit also, this is the process, paste a special, paste into, so that we can place that image here. Control T for transformation, it's too big according to illustration. So we'll go to decrease the size of our print. Now it's look fine. Then press enter to confirm. Now I want to place some same image into this image. So going to select this area. So again we want to copy this image, it's already selected, and paste into. This looks fine. Then press enter. Like this we can place the pattern into our illustration very easily. And this is the area left. This is going to be very blurred, guys, so we want to enhance the quality of these lines so that our selection is going to be fine. So for enhance these lines, we have to go to take one more layer. We are already doing for every steps in different layers, so it's safe. Again click on the new layer and we go to the brush tool and we'll select any one of the brushes, and we can increase or decrease the size of brushes from here. We take the, you can increase more, decrease more size. So now it's highlighted this area so that we can select perfectly and easy. Here also we have blur image here, so we again go to highlight this image through brush tool. It's very easy. When we highlight this area, we directly go to the quick selection and select that area. The area is selected now, easily selected. then go to edit and paste into, and again go to Control T for transformation and decrease the size of our, then press enter. Here also we want the same print, so we are going to select this particular area, again going to select this illustration layer and make a selection on this area. Only this area is now selected, or again we have to paste, edit, go to the paste special, paste into, and again decrease the size through press alt. Now it's perfect. Now see guys how easily we can place all patterns into illustration, and we have created lots of layers here. Each part have a different layer, so when we need we can edit the layers also. Selection have a different layer, so when we go to the different layer, when we go to the layer number 1, this is for this, so we can change on this area easily, increase or decrease the, so we can select this or right click and go to the layer 2 is this one I think, so we can change into this area. Again we want to Control T and transform, so easily we can transform any object. So it's very easy way to place a pattern inside the illustration. Whatever shortcut key we are using in today class, I put all this shortcut key into the description area. You can go and check all the shortcut key details in description box. So this is all about how to place into a pattern inside illustration. If you like the video, just like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more design related video. In the next video I will be back again with some vital information. Till the time, stay safe, stay connected and keep smiling. Thank you guys.